Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve, using our tools and service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Whenever possible, demount the valve from the pipeline before dismantling any parts. How to replace seals on an Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve. First, cut and remove the existing seal ring from the lower plug using a knife, screwdriver, or similar tool. Be careful not to scratch the plug. Lubricate the new seal. Pre-mount the seal ring and rotate it along the circumference to fix the gasket so that it is not twisted. Now place the lower part of the tool on the plug. Then position the upper part of the tool, including the piston. Clamp the two tool parts together. Now supply compressed air. Then release the compressed air. Turn the plug 45 degrees in the tool assembly. Once again, supply compressed air and then release it. Turn the plug to check for free movement. Remove the tool parts. Inspect the seal to ensure it does not twist in the groove. Cut and remove the existing seal ring from the upper plug using a knife, screwdriver, or similar tool. Be careful not to scratch the plug. Lightly lubricate and fit the new plug seal. Now fit the seal ring on the plug without pressing it into the groove. Be careful not to twist the seal ring. Then use a screwdriver to fit the seal ring properly and to ensure it is not twisted. You can now mount the seal ring. We will show you how by using the Alfa Laval service tool. Place the upper plug into the lower part of the tool. Place the upper part of the tool onto the lower part, pressing firmly down on the top. Now fit the screwdriver into the exhaust hole and underneath the plug groove, while applying pressure on the top of the tool. Doing so removes the air behind the seal ring. Listen for the sound of the air being released. To maintain the Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protection equipment. Thank you for watching.